Alrighty, it's Senior Prestige Motorsports. We're in the Dyno room here. And if you follow us much, I think a couple weeks ago we did a little, I think it was a 363, 347 high RPM combination and stuff. So here we have, this is a 427. It's an all aluminum. It's got a Shelby block. It's got a set of our CNC cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our ported Edelbrock Super Vix quick fuel carburetor. It's got 904 lifters, solid roller, Jesel Rockers. Really nice stout combination. As you can see, it's got a full front end on it, AC, alternator. So this is going in a car. Guy's obviously going to drive to the racetrack in comfort and then go make some passes and stuff of that nature. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. It's really a kind of a more endurance combination, 904 lifters, things like that. We kind of target about 7,500 RPM. I think that other one was 8,000 RPM, so you don't have to have its tongue hanging out all the time. So we'll go in there and make a run and kind of show you what it does. Okie doke, 4,000, it's 488 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 559. The key here is it, 58, 59, 59, 59, 57. Really good and flat through there type of situation. It goes up and peaks horsepower 7,100, 786. So, and 7,500, it's starting to fall off a bit. So like we said, 7,500 combination with AC and everything. So runs good. We'll go pull pipes out, make sure it's good and clean for you.